Hello guys, today we got our second update today. I just came out with a new update. If you don't know how Intruso del Sombrero is, it's a horror game involving a guy trying to kill you with like burritos and stuff. No, it's a really smart idea. But now we got a little guy. He likes to try to jump you from this little fake wall over here. When the wall disappears, he tries to kill you. That is our second enemy of the game. And all you need to do to send him away is step on this little red pad here. And I know, it's a really smart idea. Look, you step on this little pad, sends him away.
Yo, what's going on? We're playing Intruso del Sombrero again. Second update today is crazy, I know, but like we've been working hard. Chief added a guy here who will like jump out and jump scare you. Again, the scream was made by me.
Yep.
You gotta step on this pad before he kills you.
He's the #1 voice actor. Y'all know.
Yeah. All this is still the same. Power says all this is still the same. The burrito machine was moved though.
I don't know if you guys saw the tasks yet, but if you didn't, now we got tasks in Intruso del Sombrero. All you have to do is complete these 4 tasks. What are you doing? Put it in these 10 burritos and you win. If this timer hits 0, you die. And if he jumps you, you die. And if he does the same thing, you do die. That's kind of it. As for our third update log. Yo.
See, this is it's literally my avatar. Yeah, he'll jump scare you. It's kind of loud.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's it pretty much.
See you guys.